Emu.
Hello, Emu.
And the cassowary is the one that real
Hello,
fast.
Emu. You sound like you make a very loud noise.
Yeah, he's like a real loud noise. He's running all up there.
You must have really like
It
to
wasn't-
get
it
out from
wasn't
inside
there.
here.
It was you. It really was.
This look like much room in here
Yeah,
for a
yeah.
big bird like you.
Holla if you're real.
Don't holler, please. Don't holler at
See,
me.
this is one bird that can't fly.
Mm-hmm.
You should
But they
look up.
can run fast. Y'all not reading about the animals, you know.
These can run fast. The cassowary too.
They cannot,
I
despite being flightless, they can't fly. But they have powerful, they can run at over 30 miles an
and
hour.
if they kick you,
Exactly. Defend themselves with powerful kicks. Let me just stand a little distance here from you
you saw.
before you kick me. Go on now. Go on with yourself.
Look at the other bird.